Conquer conjunctions. Mastering coordinating conjunctions in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we are going to explore a critical part of English grammar, coordinating conjunctions. By mastering the use of these, you can greatly enhance your English sentence structure skills. So, let's dive in. Coordinating conjunctions are powerful tools in the English language that connect words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. In English, we have 7 main coordinating conjunctions, and they are often remembered by the acronym FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now that we know what they are, let's look at how to use these coordinating conjunctions in sentences. 1. For. We use for when we want to explain a reason or purpose. For example, she must be tired, for she has been working since morning. 2. And is used when we need to add information. For example, I like apples and oranges. 3. Nor is used in a negative sense to mean, and not. For example, he does not like cats, nor does he like dogs. 4. But is used to show a contrast or exception. For example, she is young, but she is very responsible. 5. Or is used to present alternatives or choices. For example, would you like tea or coffee? 6. Yet shows contrast, similar to but. For example, he is very rich, yet he lives a simple life. 7. So is used to indicate a result or effect. For example, it was raining, so we decided to stay at home. Now that you've seen how each conjunction is used, it's your turn. Practice makes perfect, so try to construct sentences using each of the FANBOYS conjunctions. Remember, when connecting two independent clauses, complete sentences, with a coordinating conjunction, we usually place a comma before the conjunction. For example, I wanted to go to the park, but it started to rain. That's all for today, dear language learners. Remember, coordinating conjunctions are a fantastic way to improve the flow and complexity of your English sentences. By properly utilizing FANBOYS, you will be one step closer to mastering English grammar. Keep practicing and happy learning. Until next time, goodbye, and take care.